Alright guys, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Tech. So I am going to teach us how to create a YouTube channel today. Alright, so if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Alright guys, so you can have as many YouTube channels as possible. All you need to do is just to create more emails, and that's all. Okay, so quickly we're going to go straight and I'll teach us how to create a YouTube channel. So now I'm going to head over to my YouTube app here. You see here, click on the YouTube app. So when it opens, I am going to sorry for that video that's playing. Now look below here where you have the below the bottom right here. See where I'm touching the mouse. I'll click there where it's written you. I'll click there. Okay, now I'm going to come over to where you see switch account, where my mouse is moving here. Switch account, I'll click on switch account. Now I have a lot of channels here, so I will check an email that has no channel. I have a lot of emails. Okay, you see this email has no channel, and this one as well has no channel. Okay, this one Message City has no channel, and this one Do Alex Todwe has no channel. Okay, so I'm going to click on either of them. Let's just click on this Message City here, this one. Alright, so when we click there, the email, the channel has opened. You see it said try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us build a field of videos you love. Okay, that's not our interest. I'll come down to the bottom right corner here where it is written you with letter M here. I'll click on it. Alright, you see this is the channel. I want to create a channel using this email. Alright, so we'll click on this message seed collection there. So now it's time for us to now write the name of the channel I want to create. Hope you're following. I'll go back here. I'll now write the name of the channel I want to create. Click here, and let's say I want the channel name to be anything. It can be, okay, let's say graphics. I want it to be a graphics channel. All right, graphics, or let's say Natty graphics. Let's say Natty, not Mari, Natty graphics. So Natty graphics. All right, so I'll click on save here. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to add a picture here. You can see this picture. I'm going to click here to add a picture. I can go through my camera or my gallery. So let me go to my gallery and pick a picture there. All right, so I can decide to pick any picture I want in my gallery here. If I don't see any picture here I want, I'll come to images here, then more folders will open. Okay, then I'll pick any picture I want. Okay, using any of these folders. So let me go to these pins here. Okay, so let me pick let's say this one here. Okay, and then I'll click here where it says save as profile picture. Click it. So it's loading. You can see it's loading. You see my profile picture is saved. Alright, then I can come here where it's written create channel. So once I click on it, the channel will be created. Alright, yes, so guys, our channel has been created. I'll still come below here at the right bottom here where it's written you with letter N. Okay, I'll click it. So you can see, guys, Natty graphics. My channel has been created. If I want to open a channel, I'll still click on this Natty graphics, and my channel is opened. I don't want this dismiss. Can you see this? So guys, all I need to do now is to drop a video here. Okay, is to drop a video here because my channel has been created. Just to drop a video and everything is good to go. If you want to edit, okay, of which you'll be doing the editing in another video. For now, the most important thing is that we are creating a what? We are creating a channel for this. On this video, that is our basic target for this video. If you want to do editing, you can click on this pencil icon here. You see, to allow you to put a background image here. Okay, to put a background image here. Guys, let's change this our profile picture. I don't like it. It's too black. It's too black. Maybe let's use something like something more colorful. Let's use this one. Okay, I think this is fine. Let's see how it will change now. I think it's looking better now. Look at the picture now. It's looking better, right? So you can see the next thing is for you to go ahead and add your description. This description has to do with what the channel is doing. All right, this description here. Okay, let me edit it. Let's say exploiting safe. Explore the world of graphics with Natty graphics. All right, let's turn this to landscape so that we see that save button easily. Okay, Natty graphics. So look at the save button there. You can see I've saved it. All right, so we are still going to turn it this way. Okay, so I just turned it landscape so as to be able to see that save button. So you see, explore the world of graphics with Natty graphics. That's the description of the channel. All right, so if you want, you can go ahead and change the background picture here as well by clicking this camera sign here, and you see change the background. That's whatever you want. So you see our channel is set. You can click this out to come back. Our channel is set. You see, now once you drop a video, people can watch, and you now have a YouTube channel. Guys, this is very, very simple. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. All right, so our next video will be dropping a video here, and maybe we'll also create a design for the background here. Okay, this is called channel banner. All right, channel banner. We will also create that in our next class, but for now we have created our YouTube channel, and the next thing is for us to begin to upload videos. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Nat Tech. Look forward for more videos. Thank you.